How to add coupons on Uscreen. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can add coupons on Uscreen. So just sit back, watch to the end, and you'll learn how to do so. But before then, ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video so as to encourage us to do more videos like this. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your Uscreen account, just like I've done here. Once you're a member of Uscreen, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar displaying options like dashboard, content, people, community, subscriptions, bundles, sales, marketing, etc. So just go ahead to select marketing, all right, because you use coupons to market. On the marketing page, you can see some tabs, some headlines like generate leads for lead generation. You can see nurture audience. In order for you to nurture your audience, you can see coupons under this particular tab. So click on coupons. So on the coupons page, you can see I have a coupon already. So in order for you to add or create a coupon, click on the new coupon button. Yours could be found at the middle if you've not created one at all. But if you have created before, you'll see it by the top right corner, just like I am seeing mine here. Whichever way, just click on the new coupon button. By clicking on that, you'll be brought to the coupon details page. And here you can now go ahead to enter in the coupon code, alright? What would be the name? What would people hold on to as the code? So for me, I'm just going to make use of this particular word which says giveaway. All right, and then you can describe the coupon if you want to. Then you can select the discount amount. Do you want it to be a percentage or do you want it to be fixed? If you want it to be fixed, you would have to select your amount in USDT. But if you want it to be in percentage form, you'd have to enter in the number of percent that you want the discount to be. So for me, I'm offering 30%. So do you want the discount to cover all your content, or subscription alone, or bundle alone, or your video content alone? So I'm just going to select video content. Then you have to select your product. All right, if you select video content, then I'll just go back to all. All right, then scroll down and then select your redemption limit. Okay, do you want to set an expiration date? Do you want to limit the number of users? Do you want this coupon to be used multiple times? Do you want this coupon to be used by current subscribers? Just select the one that you want. For me, I will select set a date, and I'm just going to set a date right away and click on create, and then there you have it. You have your coupon ready. So this is how you can add coupons or create coupons on Uscreen. You can see it's easy to ensure you utilize that feature today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.